In the toolbar, you have everything you need to change colors, font size, font type, alignment, and more. To add an element, choose from the toolbar or click on Settings. Let's add a background image. Your image manager will appear. Select or upload the image you want. And click Insert. Position the image where you want it to display. Now let's customize the CTA button. Just like you did with the image, place it where you'd like. The built-in edge measurement feature will help you arrange and align your elements. Once you've finished adding or editing each design element, click Done and then Save to preserve your work. When you're happy with your page, click the Publish button in the upper right corner. More Instapage tutorials are available at help.instapage.com.